Hello boys and girls. Today for KidStir we are going to do a crunchy apple boat. And your ingredients here are apples, cheese, some cereal, and some peanut butter. And you can mix it up however you want. In your bag of stuff that we'll send you though, we'll have everything that you need. This one will be done on the 21st. And you can pick your bags up that morning after you have pre-registered for the KidStir. So what we're gonna do is we'll take our apple and you'll get your apple, so you'll get 2 boats out of this. Have your parents help you cut it in half. And then you can use peanut butter, or you can use, if you like, Nutella or honey, whatever you like on your apple. We will have peanut butter for you though. So you will spread your peanut butter on, and then we'll put your cereal, your little crunchy cereal. It's probably going to be either Rice Krispies or Fruity Pebbles. And then to make our sail, we'll have a slice of cheese, and you can fold it in half and then fold it in half again. So you have a big, thick square. And then once again with the knife, get your parents to help you, or an adult. You'll cut it in a little triangle. And you can kind of squeeze it together to kind of mold it a little bit so it sticks together. And you can put your toothpick inside. And then put it into your apple. And so 1 slice of cheese will make 2 of your sails for your boats. And then you'll just stick it down inside there like that. And then you have your little crunchy apple boat. A nice little healthy snack. And your ingredients will be on here. And if you guys make some, we would love to see them. So if you could send it to Miss Libby's email, which is at the bottom of the page here. And we hope you enjoy and have a great day.